Hi, welcome back again to this new video. In this video we are going to talk about the corridor properties, and we are going to make a sample line to make the cross sections. Okay, so as we in the previous video we have made the corridor, okay, but we didn't yet make its properties. Alright, so just to make it fast, hit on the prospector tab here, then go to the corridors and right click on corridor, the one you made, and hit on properties. Then go to the surfaces and click this icon, create a corridor surface. Okay, then right click, then click here and choose datum and hit on add. Okay, then we need to go to the boundaries, and from the boundaries right click on the corridor you have and add automatically. Choose daylight. Now hit apply. You will have this and hit OK. Now as you can see, we have changed in our corridor. We have given it properties. Okay, so these are the new properties for our corridor. Now for the sample line we are going to make, the sample line is intended to be used in making cross sections. Okay, so let's make a sample line. Okay, so you will find it in home and sample lines. Click on it. You will have this one. Then please just hold on a second. Sorry for that, but we had some noise outside. Sorry. Okay, so after we hit on the sample line here, we get the cursor like this. So hit enter. You will be asked to choose your alignment. Just hit on OK. After that, you need to give it a name. Let's give it a name of SL collections 1 and hit on OK. Then we are going to hit on this one, which is called sample line creation method. Hit on by range of stations. So we have those three in the sample increments: the along tangent, curves, and spiral. Okay, so that means every 20 meter we are going to have a cross section. So I'm going to leave it as is. If you want to make any changes to the intervals, it's up to you. Okay, so hit on OK. Then you will have to press the enter on the keyboard. And as you can see, let's zoom in here. Okay, so here we have the sample lines. You see, those are the sample lines we have. We have 0, okay, so we have them along every 20 meters. Okay, so those are the sample lines we just made. Okay, those are the bigger ones. Yeah, so what's down is the stations. Okay, so this is all for this video. So when you want to make a corridor, you can do it as we did in the previous video, and for the properties you can do it from the properties we've just made. From right click from the prospector tab here. Then when you need to make cross sections, you need to make a sample line. So in the next video I'm going to be showing you how to make cross sections, how to calculate the volume of materials. Okay, so this is all for this video. Thank you very much for you watching, and I wish you a good day. Bye bye.